Can you imagine earning money while you sleep? Sounds like a dream, right? But that's the allure of passive income, a financial strategy that has captivated the minds of many. However, the real truth about passive income is far from this dreamy picture. Let's debunk some myths. Many people are drawn to the concept of passive income under the illusion that it's an immediate road to riches, a way to earn without lifting a finger. But that's not quite accurate. The reality is that establishing a successful passive income stream is no walk in the park. It calls for hard work, dedication, and a solid plan. Yes, passive income can eventually lead to a point where your assets work for you. But getting there is not as easy as setting up a lemonade stand. It's more akin to planting a seed, watering it regularly, nurturing it, and patiently waiting for the fruits of your labor to grow. And it's not a get-rich-quick scheme either. Those who venture into passive income, expecting immediate returns, are often left disappointed. It's a long-term strategy, a marathon rather than a sprint. It requires consistent effort, smart decisions, and a willingness to adapt and evolve with the ever-changing market trends. Passive income can indeed provide financial freedom and flexibility. It can be a cushion against unexpected life events or a stepping stone towards early retirement. But it's not a guarantee of success. It's important to do your research, invest wisely, and brace yourself for potential setbacks. So, if you're considering dipping your toes into the world of passive income, remember to adjust your expectations. It's not a shortcut to wealth, but a journey that demands commitment, perseverance, and a strategic approach. So it's clear that passive income is not a magic money tree, but a strategic plan that demands commitment and perseverance. But let's not get discouraged just yet. Let's dive into some hard facts about passive income. It's crucial to understand that not everyone is raking in millions from passive income. In fact, the average person with passive income streams earns a modest amount that supplements their primary income. It's not the lottery, but it's a steady flow that can help ease financial stress. Now let's talk about the time it takes to start seeing results. It's not instant, it's not even quick. Depending on the type of passive income you're aiming for, it could take anywhere from a few months to several years to start seeing substantial returns. Blogging, for instance, requires consistent content creation and audience building before it begins to generate income. Real estate, on the other hand, may offer quicker returns, but it demands a significant upfront investment. Different passive income streams also have varied average earnings. Affiliate marketing, for example, might earn you a few $100s a month if done right. Rental properties, however, could bring in a few $1,000s each month, depending on location and demand. It's also important to note that passive income doesn't mean zero effort. It requires initial hard work, continuous maintenance, and a keen eye on market trends. You need to stay committed, and sometimes you may even need to pivot your strategy. And remember, not all passive income is created equal. Some methods are more passive than others. For instance, dividends from stocks require very little effort, while managing a rental property requires more hands-on involvement. Finally, let's talk about failure. Yes, failure. Not all passive income ventures succeed. Some will fail, but that's part of the journey. Each failure is a lesson that brings you one step closer to success. These facts show that while passive income can be a game changer, it's not an overnight success story. Now that we've got the facts straight, it's time to summarize the key points about passive income. To begin with, passive income isn't a magical money-making machine that works while you sleep. It requires diligence, patience, and a well-thought-out plan. The notion of set it and forget it is a common misconception. To establish a successful passive income stream, you must put in consistent effort and be willing to adapt to market changes. Secondly, passive income is not an instant wealth generator. It's a long-term strategy that pays off over time. Don't expect to see immediate results. Building a passive income stream is like planting a seed. It takes time to grow and bear fruit. Thirdly, it's crucial to realize that passive income is not a guarantee of financial success. It offers potential financial freedom and flexibility, but it comes with its own set of risks. You must be willing to face possible setbacks and learn from them. It's a journey filled with ups and downs, but with resilience, the rewards can be substantial. Furthermore, research and wise investment are key to building a successful passive income stream. Don't just jump into an opportunity because it sounds promising. Do your homework, understand the market, and invest wisely. In addition, remember that passive income is not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person might not work for you. You need to find the right fit for your skills, interests, and financial goals. Lastly, don't forget the importance of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Having multiple passive income streams can provide a safety net and increase your chances of financial success. Remember, passive income is not an easy path, but with dedication and a solid plan, it can be a rewarding one. So as you embark on your passive income journey, keep these points in mind and stay the course. So where does this leave us with passive income? Passive income, when done right, can be a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. But it's important to understand that this is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It's a long-term strategy that requires careful planning, consistent effort, and the willingness to adapt to market changes. Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Passive income is not about making a quick buck. It's about building sustainable income streams that can provide financial stability and freedom in the long run. It's about creating a financial cushion that can help you weather life's unexpected storms. Now, that doesn't mean you can set it up and forget it. Even the most passive income streams require oversight and management. You need to be prepared to invest time and energy into maintaining your income streams, troubleshooting problems, and making necessary adjustments. And let's not forget about the importance of doing your research. Before you dive into any passive income venture, take the time to understand what you're getting into. Learn about the market, the risks, and the potential returns. Make informed decisions based on solid information, not just on hype or wishful thinking. Investing wisely is another crucial component of a successful passive income strategy. This means not putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments to spread the risk and increase your chances of success. Setbacks are part of the journey. Don't be discouraged if things don't go as planned. Use these experiences as learning opportunities and keep pushing forward. In the end, remember that passive income requires commitment and perseverance, but the potential rewards can be worth the effort. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on building passive income streams.